Hello y'all, welcome back to another video. This train has Norfolk Southern on it. Ha ha ha, no. Yeah. Ha ha ha, Tony. It's a Norfolk Southern AC44C6M. Right after this train. Oh wow. Look at this. You're about to see it like start looping around and stuff. You're gonna see it start like coming from there, loop back in, and then go back in and then go in there. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look. It's just gonna loop back around. Oh wow, this is crazy. I just caught right. I literally right after that Union Pacific is moving. Before that UP was moving. Like we decided to come here. I did not know there was gonna be BNSF. I did not know there was gonna be BNSF at all. Oh, I think there's more railfanners here. You're about to see it come by, so it's gonna come down there right now. Look at this. Watch this. See how this train's like, oh, see how like the rear's still over there? But watch where the front's gonna be. There it is. This is something that I kind of like about Tehachapi Loop. This is always something I would like coming over to Tehachapi, like literally catching BNSF with Norfolk Southern. Look at this. This is crazy. There's like Norfolk Southern. Oh my god, look at this loop. Look, the rear's over there, but the front's like over here. And then, it's like from over here, it just comes down and then it just disappears. And then it'll come back around through there. If I could, I would actually kind of went over the part where you could see the train coming down. Listen to that horn. Oh, wow. As soon as this last car passes by, I'll stop. Actually, as soon as it hits 3 minutes, then I'll stop, actually, because I don't want to waste storage. Alright, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.